students, myself Sujay Kumar, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today I solved some problem of identities. In previous classes I help you how you can solve or prove the identity of exercise 13a up to questions number 10. Now today I starting from questions number 12. I give some tips and process, then you can solve the remaining questions of this exercise. So dear students, try how you can prove this problem. Now see here, that question is 12. 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A is equal to sin A into tan A minus cos A into cot A. Your solution, first write the LHS. So LHS is 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A. So first step, you only multiply. So first you multiply by sin, then you get sin A plus sin A into cot A. Now plus sin A into tan A. If you multiply by sin, there are three terms. So first term, second term and third term. Now multiply by minus cos. What you get here? You get minus cos A, and minus cos multiply by cot, then minus cos A into cot A, and minus cos A into tan A. Third step, it is sin A. You write sin A plus it is sin A into cot A is equal to cos by sin. So this sin cancel, plus sin A tan A is equal to sin tan A. You write here tan A because your RHS is tan A. Next minus cos A, and it is minus cos A into cot A. You write here cot A because your RHS is cos A 1 into cot A, and minus cos A into change it sin A by cos A. To find out here is into, so this is cancelled. Now last step, you write here sin A plus cos A plus sin A into tan A and minus cos A and minus cos A into cot A and minus sin A. You get this is sin A plus and this is minus cancel. This is cos A plus and this is cos A minus cancel. So remain is your RHS, that is sin A into tan A plus minus cos A into cot A. That is proof. It is RHS. So only multiply and get your solution. Thank you. See questions number 13. It is sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. Our question LHS is sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta, and you have to prove sin and cos. So it is clear that you change this sec and tan in the form of sin and cos. So easily you can write sec in the form of 1 by cos theta plus tan. You can write sin theta by cos theta. Here is line sec theta 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, and here take LCM, that is cos theta, and it is 1 plus sin theta and here is cos theta, it is 1 minus sin theta. This line is the divide, so you write 1 plus sin theta by cos theta into, this is the reciprocal, so you write cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Cos cancel, then you get 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Bhati RHS, it is 1 plus sin whole square, so you multiply 1 plus sin both the numerator and denominator. So 1 plus sin theta. What you get? It is 1 plus sin, it is also 1 plus sin, then it is 1 plus sin theta whole square. And here is 1 minus sin, 1 plus sin, it is a minus b and a plus b. It is the formula of a square minus b square. So write here 1 square minus sin square. RHS, now you get here 1 plus sin theta whole square, and this is the formula of cos. So it is also the cos whole square. Then RHS, you get 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. That's all. Question number 17. This is cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. First you write questions LHS. It is cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Your question, you have to prove cosec A. So first you change in sin and cos form of this cot. So you write this cot is equal to cos A by sin A minus cos A. Here you know anything, so 1. Here cot A, then it is cos A by sin A plus cos A by 1. Take LCM, then you get here sin A, and here cos A minus cos A into sin A by, again LCM, sin A, then it is cos A plus cos A into sin A. What is the common here? You get, in this cos are common, so you write cos A in the bracket 1 minus sin A by sin A. Here also sin A, and common here cos A, then it is 1 plus sin A. What you get? Right here cos A into 1 minus sin A by sin A into, then it is reciprocal form, so you write here sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Then this sin A cancel, this cos A cancel. So what you have remained? You have remained 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. And you have to prove that is cosec A. So you can change, this is 1 minus 1 by cosec by 1 plus 1 by cosec, because sin, reciprocal of sin A is 1 by cosec. Take again LCM, cosec A, then it is cosec A minus 1, here also cosec A, and it is cosec A plus 1. And last step, here is, you write cosec A minus 1 by cosec A into cosec A by cosec A plus 1 cancel, then it is the RHS. So write RHS is, cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1, that is RHS, and it is true. So you can change only sin and cos and take common, then you get your solution. Last question of today, that is 19 of the exercise 13A, the new addition of the RHS, that is 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosec A plus cot A whole square. First you write left hand side, it is given that 1 plus cos A and minus cos A. So first you multiply by 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A both sides. What you get? You get here 1 plus cos A whole square, and this is A minus B and A plus B, then A square minus B square, because at the place of A is 1 and place of B is cos A, so A minus B and A plus B, we write A square minus B square. Here is 1 plus cos A whole square, and it is 1 minus cos square A. Next step, it is 1 plus cos A whole square, and it is sin square A, because first identity is, you get here 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square A. Last step, this is 1 plus cos A by sin A whole square. Then you write 1 by sin plus cos by sin whole square, because 1 plus cos by sin, then 1 by sin plus cos by sin. What you get? You get here is cosec A and here is cot A, that is whole square, and it is RHS and proof. So dear students, you solve up to 21 questions of exercise 13A. Before this lecture I solved 1 to 10, and from 12 today I solved it, and I think you solved the remaining questions up to 22 of this exercise. Thank you.